Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have a Google account. If not, create one with your name, email, and password. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is enabled to protect your files. Next, open Drive. Google, or click the grid menu from Gmail and select Drive. This launches the web app. While loading, think about folder structure you'll use. This prep gets you into Drive quickly and sets secure habits so you can organize from the start. Once inside Drive, click New to create a document or upload files from your computer. This is where your work lives. As you add items, create folders and use colors to separate tasks, clients, or dates so retrieval is faster later. Make sure to right-click files to rename, move, or view version history. That preserves edits. If collaborating, set share permissions to viewer, commenter, or editor. These steps keep your Drive tidy and ensure you control who can access each file. To finish, install Drive for desktop or the mobile app so your files sync automatically between devices. This prevents duplicates and lost work. Then, share folders or files by setting link access and expiration dates when needed. This limits exposure. Once done, check storage settings to manage quotas and remove large unused files. If something goes wrong, use version history or the search bar to locate past versions. This final sweep ensures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.